Welcome to Backyard Growing SA. In today's video is how to germinate, and the seed we are using is cauliflower. Let's get to it. So as you can see, there is a few in the paper towel, and I'm going to put now some in the coco-peat. So cauliflower like to be buried 1 to 2 centimeters deep. I'm just going to be placing them here around. Now we're going to close the paper towel and water it. Day 4, so nothing yet in the coco-peat. Let's check the paper towel. And without opening the paper towel, I can already see some of them is already sprouting. But let's see. So as you can see, all 9 seeds have sprouted. It's very good. It's 100% right then on those cabbages. So let's check back later on once they fully germinated. Day 5. So as you can see over here, it's day 5 and the cauliflower is sprouted so far, but not all. So let's check the paper towel. Okay, so as you can see, most of it is sprouted, but also it's all like germinated. So it's gonna be much better to do it in paper towel if you wanted to germinate much faster. Because as you saw, still busy coming out in the coco-peat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replant now all of these in their own pots in coco-peat, and then then we're just going to wait and see how long it takes in the coco-peat for them to all germinate. Okay, so I put water in here, and now they're gonna absorb all the water in there. So I'm gonna plant all the cauliflower in here now. Day 6, so as you can see, 3 of the cauliflower is sprouted in the coco-peat and the rest did not yet sprout. So let's check what is supposed to be in the paper towel. So I transplanted them over. So as you can see, they're doing very well in here. So what you want to do when you do transplant them from paper towel over to soil or coco-peat, whatever you're going to transplant them over to, make sure you let them soak at least, because they need to get used to their new environment, and they were all the time wet in moisture in the paper towel. So what you want to do is just like this, and be back once they are fully germinated. Day 7, so as you can see, it is kind of fully germinated. And over here in the coco-peat, what I transplanted over from the paper towel, I soaked up all the water, so this is fine. So I can let the rest of the water out, and then I just leave this the way it is, and they will continuously grow in here. So cauliflower is going to take 7 to 8 days to germinate in paper towels. It's faster than in coco-peat. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And to help the channel out, you can comment down below, like the video, share the video, send super thanks, or becoming a member. Thank you for watching. Backyard out.